Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today is April the 30th, 2023. Let's talk about Intel today because following their earnings, do you think it means that there's going to be a massive comeback in this stock's price? For real. Now, we're going to look at the price action in Intel since our last video and see if that's the case because we got some things to talk about. So you guys can see that first, I did a price prediction in Intel on the 31st of March. Okay, here it is. The prediction is still on the chart right now, and we were bullish in the market in Intel, right? So the first couple of days following our price prediction, yes, Intel did go higher. Now our ultimate price in Intel is all the way up here around $37.62. That's our ultimate TP price. The market though in Intel ran out of gas at 34 bucks. That's a problem. Why did the market in Intel run out of gas at $34? Well, because the chart was actually telling us that this is where the increase in volume came in. Charts don't lie. So not long after we did our video, the volume increased in Intel. We saw price close off of the highs on the April the 4th, and price since that moment has gone off a cliff. That tells you that buyers were not there anymore. Okay. So that's a negative thing for our long-term idea that Intel is going to run up to 37.50. That's a problem. The second problem in seeing price in Intel run all the way up to 37.50 is how Intel fell back down. Okay, you guys can see it. We cracked below $30.25. We told you on this day right here on March that as long as Intel price held $30.25, give or take, we were still going to maintain that price is still bullish and that there's a greater probability that price is going to go higher. Well, look at these days below $30.25 right here. Okay, see that? Now, if we wouldn't have seen those 4 days of trading, we would have still said, yes, there's still a bigger chance for Intel to continue to go higher. Well, we got those 4 days though. So we need to revise our current thinking. Does it mean that Intel is definitely weak? Does it mean that there's no more buyers in the market? No, it doesn't mean that, because in actuality, buyers are still there. Now, why would I say that? Well, here's the proof, because once Intel did its earnings, right here on the 27th of April, the market in Intel came right back above $30.25. You see that? See, charts don't lie. So actually the buyers were revitalized. They came back to life. They came back into the market. So we live on to see another day. But since we saw price crack $30.25 to the downside, we cannot be as bullish as we once were. We cannot be. So if anyone is coming out telling you that price in Intel is going to run to $40, run, because things has changed ever since price in Intel broke $30.25 to the downside. All right, look at this on the 2-day chart. Okay, so first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and get rid of this last price prediction. You guys saw my video. Hopefully you was able to grab some of this profit out the market, because I'm quite sure $34 were one of the targets for us, which is on around 5.42%. If you didn't grab that, if you're working on the market close of yesterday or Friday, excuse me, you'll be down 3.25%. Okay, so now let's talk about this, because this is still relevant. $30.25 is still relevant for Intel. Okay, so we're going to hold that there. Let's look at this on the 2-day chart. So yes, we're currently trading right back up above $30.25, which is good. But again, since we cracked below it, you cannot be that strong. The market cannot be that bullish. Look at this on the 3-day. Okay, see this? Market closed off the highs on this 3-day price. But now we saw the market in Intel close all the way up here, then we would definitely be bullish. But that didn't happen. Here it is on the 5-day. Again, weekly chart, 2 weeks, 3 weeks, 5, and the monthly chart. Okay, so now I'm still looking for price, okay, and Intel to go up. Yes, this monthly price bar for March tells me that. Okay, we got a push to go up bar. We saw some sellers come into the market for the month of April. We were able to successfully close higher above $30.25. That's another reason why I'm still leaning more towards price and Intel going higher. Okay. I'm just wanting to prepare you all for increased volatility. All right. So now let me go ahead and put this on the chart. Let me look at this on a bigger monthly time frame, 2 months. So here it is on the 2-month chart for Intel. See that? Very widespread bar for the last 2 months. The 3 prior 2-month price bars, which equates to 6 months, price was weak, but we actually saw some life come into Intel there. The only problem is with this increase in volume and closing off the highs, there's definitely individuals in the market in Intel trying to take profit. Okay, so now our eyes is going to be focused on $30.25, period. Now, if I see the market in Intel fall below $30.25 again, then we would definitely have to maintain that the buyers are no longer interested in pushing price up in Intel. Okay. So as long as price in Intel holds $29 to the upside, holds it for support, we're going to continue to look for the price to inch up. Now, the market in Intel opened on Friday, the 28th. It opened at $32. That area is resistance. Okay. $32. So that's our first target. Okay. First target is $32. That's around 3.16% move higher. First target, $32. My second target is going to be up here towards 33. That's around 6.35, $33. I'm just going to drop those 2 targets for the moment because I really want us to get more confirmation that Intel is going to hold $30.25. If that's going to occur, then we can increase our price target once we get more confirmation that buyers are going to hold the market. Okay, give me your thoughts. Make sure you maintain the profitability, and as always, trade different.